welcome to Good Morning Electrical YouTube channel. So dear students, if you are learning from Good Morning Electrical YouTube channel, then dear students, here zero distractions, because dear students, we have already disabled monetization in this YouTube channel. Due to that reason, here you can see zero advertisement. Yes dear students, zero advertisement means zero distraction. Yes, zero distraction and your zero time loss. So dear students, this is the most important, and this point is beneficial for you. And dear students, Good Morning Electrical YouTube channel is a one-stop solution for all railway examinations. So dear students, today we are going to discuss all about railway examination official mock test. Yes dear students, as you know everybody, GATE examination, graduate aptitude test in engineering, is already launched their mock test. Yes, 7 old IIT and ISC Bangalore is conducting GATE examination. They have already launched their mock test, and yes students, in this 5 to 6 years I have observed every exam conducting committee, they are launching their mock test. So dear students, why railway is behind? So dear students, railway examination official mock test is already launched. Yes dear students. So dear students, if you fill different types of railway examination forms, then dear students, go to railway examination official website and check mock test. Yes, and dear students, give mock test according to your examination. And dear students, you can see same interface when you go to in your main examination hall. Then you start your paper, your online paper with login. How you can log in there? You can enter, first open the window, and you can enter where your roll number and as a password your date of birth. Then window is open. Same type of environment you can feel in this railway examination official mock test. Yes dear student, same time, same. So dear students, where you can observe one clock and your virtual calculator and your instruction, everything is same as your main paper. And dear students, you can analyze what is the difficulty level, what is the easy level, what is the moderate level, which type of questions they are asking to you. So dear student, please don't miss this railway examination official mock test. So dear students, this official mock test is totally free. You can give this test in 0 rupees. Yes dear students. And dear students, according to your paper, if you fill different type examinations like RRB, NTPC graduate level, and then your undergraduate level, postgraduate level, then your other types of examination you have filled like RRB, JE, your loco pilot, most of the exams are and dear students, also syllabus of most of the exams is same. Slight difference will be there. If you complete mathematics once, then dear students, only difficulty level will be there. Difficult, moderate, easy. If you are giving your CVT1 examination, then dear students, CVT1 examination questions is easy as compared to your CVT2 examinations, because dear students, in CVT1 examination virtual calculator is not available, and dear students, in CVT2 examination virtual calculator is available. If dear students, virtual calculator is available, then they want calculation, a good calculation, they can give you a hard problem because you have virtual calculator to solve. So dear students, and if I am talking about in CVT1 examination, then dear students, in CVT1 examinations virtual calculator is not available. Then how you can calculate lengthy calculations? So dear students, level of questions is easy as compared to CVT2 examination in CVT1 examination. So dear students, coming back to the point, I am talking about railway examination official mock test. Yes, dear students. So dear students, everybody please give this mock test. This mock test is totally free. And dear students, most of the students think, sir, I have not prepared for this mock test. Even I have never complete my syllabus. So dear students, give your, at least give your 100%. Yes. Then you can observe first, if you complete 5 to 6 chapter, don't worry dear students, at least give your 100% attempt. Yes, in this mock test. So dear students, first 5 to 6 points is more important if you are preparing for railway examination. Then first is your course completion. Yes, complete your course. And dear students, also then questions practice, then your revision, then your uh, test, then your analysis of test and optimization. So dear students, please, these are the most important element or ingredient in your railway examination preparation. So dear students, if you want updates regarding railway examinations official mock test or other informations, then dear students, you can join Good Morning Electrical Telegram channel, where you can get PDF notes of lectures, practice questions, doubt clearing sessions link, also your railway examinations mock test link, and a lot of informations you can get in this Good Morning Electrical YouTube channel. And dear students, for doubt clearing, be so dear students, I can clear your doubt with the help of Zoom meeting app, Google meeting app. So dear students, link of the Zoom meeting and Google meet I can provide you in this Good Morning Electrical Telegram channel. So dear students, please must join this Good Morning Electrical Telegram channel. You can search, first open your Telegram and search Good Morning Electrical, then you get the information all about the Good Morning Electrical Telegram channel, or and you can join. Yes, then dear students, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel, like video, and share with your friends and all social media groups. And dear students, please give your 100%, and please don't skip mock test or test in your exam preparation. This railway examination preparations is more important. Yes, so dear students, please don't skip your mock tests. Thank you.